In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a good edit on Capcut. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you transform your raw footage into a polished masterpiece in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to import your clips and arrange them in the order you'd like them to appear. This step is crucial because a well-organized timeline sets the foundation for a seamless editing process. You'll want to ensure all your clips are in place before proceeding to the more creative steps. Next, it's time to trim and cut out any unnecessary parts. This is where you refine your footage, removing any parts that don't contribute to your story or message. The goal here is to keep your audience engaged, so be ruthless with the trimming. Less is often more when it comes to creating engaging content. Once your clips are trimmed, focus on adding smooth transitions between them. Transitions help your video flow and can enhance the overall viewing experience. Capcut offers a variety of transitions to choose from, so play around with them to find the ones that best suit your style and the tone of your video. Now let's highlight key points using text and stickers. This step is great for drawing attention to specific parts of your video or providing additional context to your viewers. Capcut offers various text options and fun stickers, so don't hesitate to experiment and find the perfect combination that complements your content. Adding background music or sound effects is another way to elevate your video. Music sets the mood and can add a professional touch to your project. When choosing music, consider the tone and emotion you want to convey. Be sure to adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your main audio. Adjusting video speed or applying filters can add a stylish flair to your edits. You might want to speed up certain sections for a time-lapse effect or slow down others to emphasize important moments. Capcut also offers a range of filters to help achieve the mood you're going for, so explore these options and see what works best. Before finishing up, it's time to review your video and tweak the timing for a better flow. Watch your project from start to finish and make sure all elements work harmoniously together. Adjust cuts, transitions and effects if needed to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Finally, export your video in high quality. Capcut gives you options to choose your preferred resolution, ensuring your content looks crisp and professional, ready to be shared with the world. Make sure you select the appropriate settings based on where you'll be showcasing your video. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create a beautifully edited video on Capcut that captures your vision. With practice, you'll continue to refine your skills and make even more engaging content. Thanks for watching and happy editing.